Hello guys, welcome to my terrace on Friday midnight. I was out here trying to stargaze, and before these clouds cover up everything, let me give you a highlight of the biggest, brightest stars here. Or okay, that one's a planet. The first thing, that is Jupiter. Uh, yeah, right now it appears to be the brightest thing in the night sky, and it's around mid-February, and today it's midnight, so it's almost overhead to me right now, and it's the brightest, almost beating the second brightest, Sirius, over here. Now Sirius, in the absence of Jupiter, is the brightest thing in the night sky. It's a relatively close star to us, around 8.5 light years away. So yeah, between Jupiter and Sirius there, if I zoom in the middle over here, we will see the prominent three-star constellation, the one that is so famous, called the Orion belt. Those three, oh, as you see, Sirius and Jupiter so bright that to see this Orion belt I had to zoom in with my phone camera. So the Orion belt, a cool fact about these stars is that even though they appear so close to each other from Earth, they are on average around 600 light years away from each other. So those two gaps that you see in between are on average 600 light years away. So think about it, if light left one of those stars to reach the other, it would take 600 Earth years. Then on the corner of the Orion constellation, right there, is the famous red supergiant Betelgeuse. Now Betelgeuse is around 850 light years away from Earth. So that light you see right there from that red supergiant, the photons from that star hitting my camera lens in this moment are, yeah, they left the star in the 1200s. So take a moment to take that in. And then another cool fact about this star is scientists anticipate that it'll go supernova very soon. So if we guys are lucky enough to be able to, we're lucky enough to be alive when this goes supernova, we get to experience this. Yeah, incredibly bright. It'll be so bright we'll be able to see it in the day sky. It'll be so bright that it'll be almost as bright as a half moon, if not more, in the night sky. So let's hope it goes supernova while we're alive. We get to enjoy that beauty. And then those are the highlights. Okay, there's one more, that's Canopus there. And yeah, the night sky will be full of them. As I told you, the clouds are beginning to come here now. So this stargazing, I don't know about you guys, but when I come out here, this is when I truly feel in my heart, in my soul, what Krishna said. When I'm sitting down in a room indoors, like, I do feel it, but like, it's not the same feeling as when I'm out here looking at the stars that are hundreds of light years away. Like, this is what makes me realize, appreciate the fact that we're finite fragile humans on this planet, a tiny little speck, a tiny little frame in an otherwise infinite universe. Even life on Earth started billions of years ago, and we humans live for on average 60-70 years, and then we're practically subatomic in the scale of these stars and the distances to these stars. So yeah, I come out here on Friday nights just to indulge, experience that feeling. Of course, I'm looking at the stars and absolutely enjoying the physics behind it. But then the realization it gives me, which I already have, but like it clears out that realization for me. So that is what I try to chase when I come out here at midnight alone. Yeah, the humbling experience of this, really, looking at Sirius, looking at Betelgeuse, that red supergiant right there, yeah, that could go supernova any moment right now. Like, imagine if we went supernova right now, that'd be the coolest thing ever. When I'm just recording it randomly on a Friday night. Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter is very cool, of course. And yeah, that's basically it for today's night sky. I hope you guys got at least uh, a small feel into Nairobi's night sky, or I inspired you guys to also try and go out and look at these stars on a weekly basis, perhaps. But yeah, I absolutely love this feeling. I absolutely love doing this and will never stop doing so. Thank you. Thank you for watching the YouTube video.